Okay guys, what I wanted to do today is go over adding CircleCI support to a Flutter app. I did a video earlier and it didn't capture any of the vocals, so I've already done it, but I wanted to walk you through kind of the setup of how you would do it. And I know it's not firsthand, but I'll just walk you over the configuration. Now, what really helped me out was this Medium article called Setup CI/CD Pipeline for Your Flutter App Using CircleCI. I've been looking for it and asked a question on Stack Overflow, and they kind of ignore me. And then someone sent me this in a Discord chat, so thank you. But basically, the key to this is to add a config.yaml file in a .circleci directory in your project. So I'm going to use Austin Feeds Me project again. Basically, you go up to the top level of your project in your Flutter app, add a directory called .circleci, and then inside that add a config.yml file, and then copy over this content. You can see I've copied it over here. The indentation is important. If you don't indent these lines correctly, CircleCI can sometimes have a hard time and your builds will fail, even though it might build successfully on your computer or your local environment. I put in an environment variable in CircleCI so that I could put the Google Services JSON file on a remote store without having to keep it checked into the project, because it is an open source project, and that allows CircleCI to download the file and put it in the correct directory and then build the app successfully. And so once you do that, you get your configuration where you'd like to have it. You can push it to your repository, your GitHub repository. CircleCI also works with Bitbucket, and CircleCI will automatically start building your app. If everything works well, you'll get a successful build. I had a few failures. One was because the default Flutter project comes with a unit test, and we had changed our app since then. So I had to modify the unit test to basically do it just a simple check. And then once I added the ability to get our Google Services JSON file copied to the correct place, it was able to successfully build, and it took about 3.5 minutes for not really that complex of a project, but the majority of this was getting the dependencies. You can see spinning up the environment took 1 minute and 16 seconds. There's a way or flag to cache this, which I'll need to look into, because maybe we can do that in a future video, and that will save some time. The actual building of the app was 1 minute and 15 seconds, I think it said, something, or 51. And I think there's a way to cache all these dependencies as well, so I'll look into that. But long story short, you can build the Android version of your Flutter app on CircleCI for free. The configuration is not that complex, and I've got a working sample of it over here in the Austin Feeds Me Flutter repo. If you have any questions about it or need any help, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at whereisdarren. And if there's anything that you'd like to talk about or see me talk about on Flutter, let me know that too, and I can do that. All the videos are on YouTube, as well as Twitch and Periscope, so feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching.